This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
If you're renewing the right-hand headlight bulb, rotate the fastener anti-clockwise, release the two clips at the rear edge, then remove the cover from the battery. On either headlight, press together the two clips and remove the headlight cover. Firmly pull the headlight forwards to release it from the mounting studs. Pull the wiring plug from the headlight bulb terminals and from the side light terminals. Peel the rubber boot from the rear of the headlight. Then depress the end of the clip, push it to one side a little and fold it over. Lift the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, locate the new bulb into the hole in the reflector. Note that the bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Fold over the retaining clip and engage the end with the catch on the reflector. With the drain hole at the lower edge, refit the rubber boot. Rotate the side light bulb holder anti-clockwise a little and pull it from the reflector. Pull the capless side light bulb from the holder. Press the new bulb into the holder, then insert the bulb holder into the reflector and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the wiring plugs to the rear of the headlight. Then maneuver it into position over the locating pins and push it firmly rearwards to engage the pins with the headlight sockets. Locate the cover over the headlight and secure it with the retaining clips. Where applicable, refit the battery cover, then rotate the fastener clockwise to secure it.